our kids have.
Right!
The tongue is.
Why are you?
So we have a Bosch speed oven and it keeps losing power.
What's not gonna do it?
So our Bosch speed oven is shutting down after about 30 seconds and it's losing power, and we think it's probably because of a switch. We think maybe there's a switch in the door because we can get it to do some weird stuff sometimes with the light going on. And if we push on it, sometimes the light will come on.
Bryce, your video is not going.
So we're finding that something is loose, or there's a loose connection, and that's probably what's causing the problem. If we tap on it, we can get the light to come on. So there's clearly something loose or not connecting properly. We're gonna go ahead and remove the microwave and try and remove the back and see if we can find some loose connections.
I don't see any back there anyway.
So we're going to look around on the inside. There's the switch for the door. This is the other door switch. These are common areas that have problems. And I'm assuming that that's where we're gonna look first for loose connections. Okay, so Kim has been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and she's telling me that this is, what was it again, babe?
A transconductor.
Okay, very nice, very nice.
Maybe it's a transdermal conductor. Hold
Oh,
on.
transdermal
Pause that.
conductor.
Hold on,
Okay, I'll
Don't
pause
put that
it.
in the thing. And stop getting... How do I take it off?
Okay, so you're gonna use your needle nose and you're gonna wiggle it off the end. Okay, they just push on there. It's a terminal.
Is it unplugged?
Yeah, everything's unplugged, you're fine. Carefully pull it off. And then I think that's just thermostat that tells it if it's getting too hot or not. We're gonna have to clip these, put new ends on it, and get a new one of these thermostats. Okay, so Kim typed in the part number. We found a website called parkselect.com, and we looked at the diagram and found that this little part that goes on top is part 304, and 304 is a, what was it called? A regulator temperature, and it's $5.37. So that's what we're going for, and hopefully that's all that we need to fix this thing. Alexa off. We ended up using some electrical tape to put across the terminals so that when we put the cover back on, it would not act as a bridge for the electrical connections. All right.